Stop digging through 10 different menus just to change one setting. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the GodMode folder in Windows, a hidden master control panel that puts all the settings you need right at your fingertips. First, head over to your desktop. We're going to create a special shortcut. And don't worry, we aren't hacking anything, we're just using a built-in Windows developer shortcut. Right-click any empty space and select New and Folder. Now this is the important part. Your folder needs to have a very specific name, which I will put in the description below. And it will look something like this. So the first variable I've given is the name, which I've selected to be GodMode. Now this could be changed to anything else you'd like, but the following section past the comma has to be exactly the same. And then all we do is either press enter or just click outside the folder. Now you'll notice as soon as you hit enter or click outside the folder, the icon changes and the name disappears. But don't worry, this is completely normal. Now we just double click it, and here we get the master control panel. As you can see, everything is categorized. From managing your mouse settings to deep level disk management and administrative tools, it's all in here. There's no more need to search for all of this in the start menu. It's the ultimate power user move for keeping your PC exactly how you like it. You can also make use of the search function to quickly find what you're looking for. So in case I'm looking for, in my example, defragmenting, what this does is it only searches within the master control panel, so you can quickly find what you need. And if you find yourself using one specific setting frequently, what you can do is you can right-click that setting and create a shortcut to place it directly on your desktop. So now I've created a shortcut onto my desktop for the defragment setting. And that's it, a simple trick to make Windows way more manageable. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.